So this is how you're gonna sync Google Calendar with the Apple Calendar on the iPhone. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So if I look up Calendar on my phone, you can see I have both the Apple one as well as Google one. So you could use them separately if you would want it to, but if we want to mix them and put them together, then this is what we need to do. So we're going to essentially put Google Calendar into the Apple one. So that's what we are going to do, but for that we need to go to the settings app of our phone, where at the bottom we can find apps like this. And in the alphabetically ordered list of apps can easily make me find the calendar, the one from Apple. So we're going to click on it like this, and we can manage calendar accounts. And in there, you can see I'm currently using the iCloud and Gmail already. So if you only have iCloud, you click on Add Account, tap on Google, and make sure to open it like so. So you'll have the ability to sign in with your Google account to the Apple Calendar, right? So you just type in your regular email, then the password or the authentication. You just go through it as if you are normally signing into your Gmail account. And once you'll have it done, it's going to look like this, where you have the iCloud account, the Apple Calendar, and you also have the Google account, the Google Calendar. So I just want to make sure that it is turned on in here for the calendar, because you can also use it for mail, contacts, and notes. And now essentially I have two accounts, one from Google, one from Apple, both taking place in my Apple Calendar app. So in here, when I click on the calendar options, you can see I have the iCloud, I have the Gmail, right? And I can have everything put together. So even now, if I'm creating a new event, I always get to decide which calendar I choose it, right? Is it going to be the one from the iCloud or the one from the Gmail, right? So I can decide where I created the event. I can see it visually inside of my calendar, which events belong to which calendar, which account, and that's how it works very nicely. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future videos as well.